Introduction. In general, the evolution means continuous and slow change. In the 5th standard, you have learnt about the evolution of man. Students, we live in family, and many such families together is called society. It tells us that our present social life has taken shape through a process of evolution over thousands of years. Man has moved from a nomadic stage to a settled social life. In this chapter today, we are going to learn social life of man, the social nature of man. Do you like to make friends? I'm sure you do. Man is social by nature. We all basically like to live with one another, in each other's company, and with people around us. Man also likes to celebrate festivals. Living with people not only makes us happy, it is also our need. We have many needs. Food, shelter, clothing are our physical needs. Once these are satisfied, man gets a sense of stability, but that is not enough. We also have some emotional and psychological needs. For example, to feel secure is an emotional need. When we are happy, we wish to share our happiness with others. Is it not so? Similarly, when we are sad, we wish to have somebody with us. We like the companionship of our family members, relatives, and friends. These feelings reflect our social nature. Our social life. You know that food, clothes, shelter, education, and health are our basic needs. Due to the labor and skills of people in the society, a variety of articles are produced. If these needs are fulfilled, then our life will be more comfortable, right? Education and health-related services and facilities allow us to live with dignity. All this is made available in a society. A variety of industries and occupations help to fulfill our needs. For example, if we need books for studying and paper for books, that is why occupations like manufacturing paper, printing, book binding, etc. also develop. Many people contribute to this process. Thus, the variety of occupations in the society help us in fulfilling our needs. This also leads to the development of our skills and capabilities. Our basic needs are fulfilled in society. We depend on each other for our emotional needs such as security, appreciation, praise, and support, etc. Thus, our life in society is interdependent. Do you now understand how we need each other in society? Our development. Every person is born with some qualities and capabilities. You too have some qualities and capabilities, but they are dormant. They will not develop until they get a chance. They develop in a society. We use language to communicate with one another. We cannot do so at birth, can we? No. We learn language gradually. Our first language is the one that is spoken at home, right? Then, if our neighbors speak different languages, we pick up those too. Schools also provide opportunities to learn different languages. And because of that, we can communicate with different language people. Our development. We also have the capacity to think independently. For example, when all the students in a class are given the same topic for an essay, why is it that no two essays are the same? It is because the thought process in each is different. Society helps in the development of our emotional capabilities and the power to think. It also provides the opportunity for expressing our thoughts and feelings. The development of our artistic and other talents also takes place in society. Singers, musicians, artists, scientists, adventurers, social workers can all develop their qualities further because of the backing and encouragement of society. This encouragement is very important.
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें। ऐसे ही और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल होम रिवाइज को सब्सक्राइब करें।